This is what my truck sounds like. Piece of junk. Where's the hood thing? I don't know what side it's coming on. It looks like, sounds like it's coming from this side. Sounds noisier, but I don't know. Honey, can you rev it up a little bit? What side do you think that's coming from, or do you think it's coming from in the middle? The middle? The whole engine. When you rev it up a little bit, it went away.